Ear health plays a much bigger role in overall well-being than many people realize, and at Hearing First Hastings, microsuction ear wax removal is seen as an important part of maintaining both hearing and general health. When ear wax builds up, it can affect hearing clarity, balance, concentration, and even increase the risk of dizziness or discomfort in everyday life. Microsuction is a modern technique that allows ear wax to be removed safely and precisely while the ear canal is clearly visible throughout the procedure. At Hearing First Hastings, this treatment is carried out by a qualified audiologist, ensuring a high standard of care and attention to patient comfort. By restoring clear hearing, many patients notice improvements in communication, confidence, and day-to-day awareness of their surroundings. Blocked ears can sometimes lead to social withdrawal, frustration, or fatigue due to the extra effort required to listen and understand conversations. By addressing wax buildup professionally, microsuction can help reduce these issues and support better mental and emotional well-being. Unlike older methods such as syringe-ing, microsuction is designed to minimize risk and avoid unnecessary pressure within the ear. Maintaining healthy ears can also support better posture and balance, particularly for older adults or those prone to dizziness. Clear hearing helps the brain process sound more accurately, contributing to a greater sense of stability and comfort. If earwax is affecting your hearing or quality of life, professional microsuction at Hearing First Hastings can support better overall health. Click the link in the description to book your appointment today.